If you're interested in learning how to say different toys in Spanish, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's Spanish vocabulary lesson is all about toys. We're going to learn the words for ball, bicycle, doll, building blocks, and puzzle. Let's start with ball. In Spanish, ball is pelota. Let's break it down. Pelota. Pelota. If you wanted to say, I have a ball, you would say, tengo una pelota. Our second word is bicycle. In Spanish, it's bicicleta. 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 If you wanted to say, I have a bicycle, you would say, tengo una bicicleta. Our third word is doll. Muñeca. 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 If you wanted to say, I have a doll, you would say, tengo una muñeca. Our next word is building blocks. Now this one's a little bit longer. Bloques de construcción. We're definitely going to break that one down. Bloques de construcción. Bloques de construcción. If you wanted to say, I have building blocks, you would say, tengo bloques de construcción. Our last word today is puzzle, which is rompecabezas. 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 If you wanted to say, I have a puzzle, you would say, tengo un rompecabezas. Let's review those words. In Spanish, ball is pelota. Bicycle is bicicleta. Doll is muñeca. Building blocks, bloques de construcción. And puzzle is rompecabezas. Now let's test your knowledge. If you wanted to say ball in Spanish, how would you do it? If you said pelota, you're right. Next up is bicycle. How would you say bicycle in Spanish? Bicicleta. Next is doll. How would you say doll in Spanish? If you said muñeca, you're right. What about building blocks? How would you say building blocks in Spanish? Bloques de construcción. And our last question for today is, how would you say puzzle in Spanish? If you said rompecabezas, you're right. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.